In the journey of life, the freedom to choose, to be yourself, is a path that leads towards the unknown, the unfamiliar, and the uncertain. This freedom broadens your perspective, extending it to infinity. True wisdom lies in this expanse of knowledge, in relying on your own experiences while helping others awaken and embark on their own paths. In doing so, you transform from an ordinary individual into a creator of everything that is. Every choice you make shapes the world you live in. Be proud of these choices, for through them, you create something greater than yourself. You craft your life as an exciting journey filled with chosen unknowns. Through your decisions, you grow as a creator, a free spirit radiating love, endowed with the power to receive the love of the entire universe. This is when the miracle happens, the miracle of being yourself. You are like a bird that can soar high, touching the stars. Unleash your imagination, immerse yourself in a world of fairy tales with faith and passion. Your future is an inspiration, revealing the endless possibilities of your choices. You are the miracle that fills the world with happiness. Dare to dream boldly without being enslaved by your dreams. Walk honorably without internal blame. Fill every minute with love and let your plea to be truly ready be heard. To be different yet true to yourself, continuously discovering and choosing anew. Life is a book written by your choices, and the world reflects your true self, not the mask, but your inner radiance. What you radiate is what you receive in return. You are the light that makes the world beautiful and magical. Devoted with gratitude to your world, you receive love from the entire universe. Believe in yourself, be yourself, and spread love to all. This is the true miracle of our existence, the miracle of being yourself, the miracle of being human. Let this message resonate with every heart, reminding us of the countless miracles waiting for us. Miracles we create with our choices, our love, and our authentic selves. If in a minute, time so brief, you fill each second like a leaf, with love that's deep, pure, and true, your readiness will shine through. To stand apart, yet not alone, in every choice and tone you've shown. Be a man of strength and light, unique, yet part of every sight. On this path, both old and new, to thine own self, always be true. For in these choices, wise and spun, you find your path. To be a man, my son.